Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is saying goodbye to 2019. This is the last wash and go for 2019. I'm looking rough right now, so I need to do something. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna do the last wash and go for the year 2019. Can you believe it? And it has to be good because this hair is looking crazy. How many of you guys do a deep cleaning of your home to ring in the new year nice and fresh? That's what I'm working on right now. So my house is a mess. My hair is a mess. I'm working on it. Let me know in the comments down below if you do the same thing. My mom used to make us clean the whole house and make everything super fresh because you couldn't bring in the new year with any mess, any dirt, any clutter. And she used to buy us like new underwear, new outfits. You couldn't be wearing anything old. Everything had to be new. I don't go to like the everything new thing, but what did stick with me was cleaning the house and making sure that there was no clutter, no mess to ring in the new year. And right now I got a mess, so I gotta hurry up and get it ready because tomorrow's New Year's Eve. Anyways, let's go wash my hair. So to wash my hair, I am going to be using the new Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat Shampoo and the Smoothing Treat Conditioner. I've been using these a lot since I got them. I really like Garnier Fructis. It's nice and inexpensive, affordable. You can find it at your drugstore. So, and look at these cute bottles. They're so aesthetically pleasing. So I've rinsed out the conditioner. Now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the DEVACURL Deep Sea Repair. This is a seaweed strengthening mask. What better way to start the new year but with strength? Anyways, I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit while I finish my shower, then I'll rinse it out and I'll meet you guys over there so that we can style my hair. All right, I'm back. I'm ready to style my hair. My hair is fresh and clean and ready for the new year. So for my last wash and go of 2019, I'm going to use the Afro Love Leave-In Smoothie Cream. This leave-in is so good. It came straight from Dominican Republic. I believe they sell it here now. I'm not sure how much it costs or anything like that, but my aunt brought me it from Dominican Republic. The Afro Love brand is a Dominican brand and I love it. Then I'm going to use the DEVACURL Be Leave-In on top. These two mix very well. I've used this pair before and I've gotten a really good wash and go. So let's get to it. Now I want to end the year how I want to start 2020. I want all of my wash and goes to be super quick and easy. I don't want to have to spend like hours on my hair. So what I'm doing is I'm raking in the leave-in really quickly. Then I'm using my brush to just smooth that in and make sure that every strand is coated. My hair is a little soaking wet. It's not super wet, but it is soaking wet because there is water coming out of my hair right now. I used to style my hair with it a lot drier. It being super wet kind of helps the product distribute quicker, faster, less product. So that's what we're aiming for. I'm not doing any super complicated routine. I'm not doing finger twists. I'm just applying the product quickly through my hair. And I have to buy new clips because I think my daughter broke my handy dandy clip that I used in like every single one of my videos. That's like my only clip, guys, and I just found it and it was broken, so I'm gonna have to improvise a little bit here when I part my hair to apply the leave-in. I always section off my hair. That is the quickest, fastest way for me to get product into every section. I'm applying the leave-in now. If I don't section off my hair, I don't get a good result. So, and I don't do a whole bunch of like millions of sections. I just do some big sections, but it helps to distribute the product. The leave-in smells amazing. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'm putting my affiliate link in the description box if you want to go and buy yourself some DEVACURL products, because they might be a little pricey, but they smell amazing and they work great. The leave-in is like by far my favorite DEVACURL product. I discovered it this year. I love it. Love it. Like, I just want to have like millions of bottles of it. I hate when I run out. I love it. So I finished applying the product to my hair. My hair looks nice and moisturized, and I'm just going to kind of rake my hands through my hair really quickly, not for too long, just to give my hair more movement. If I leave it like that, it's kind of stuck to my scalp and I'll get less movement when it's dry. The more that your hair moves now, the more it's gonna move when it's dry. Oh, I've been rocking, I used to only do like my side part. I've been rocking my middle part a lot lately, so that's how I'm gonna leave it. It just kind of like naturally divides there, so that's how I'm gonna leave it. I'm going to let my hair air dry for a bit as I clean around the house. Then I'm gonna come and diffuse the rest of my hair, and I'll come back and show you guys the end results for the last wash and go of 2019. All right, so my hair is, I think, completely dry. It's looking good so far. Look at how good these curls are looking. I told you that that's a good combo. The Afro Love leave-in and the DEVACURL leave-in. I love it. Now I'm gonna go in with some Righteous Roots oil. If you guys watch my videos, this is one of my favorite oils, and I'm only taking a little bit. This is just to kind of fluff out my curls, and I wanna make sure that my fingers are coated. And I'm just gonna shake out my hair a little bit and scrunch out a tiny bit of cast that I have right here. Actually, my hair is a little bit wet right here. I might just go in and diffuse a little bit more because it's a little bit wet now that I touch it there. I've had this blow dryer for like over 10 years. This is the Bedhead Hot Head, and this is my curly co diffuser that I love. I need to get a new blow dryer, but I've had this one forever and I think it's pretty. All right, I think it's dry. I'm just gonna fluff out a little bit. And that is it, guys. This is the last wash and go of 2019. I think it turned out pretty bomb. I like it. Anyways, guys, I think that I have like 1 or 2 more videos to post before the year is over. If I don't post them, don't kill me. I'll post them in the beginning of January. I will see you guys in my next video. If I don't post another video, I hope that you guys have such a happy new year, and let's just dream big, guys. 2020, let's dream big. Don't forget to click that subscribe button right now, because I feel like big things are coming to my channel. I am going to be creating so much content, so get ready for it. Click that subscribe button right now if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Click that like button if you liked the last wash and go of 2019. Click that like button right now. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know in the comments down below how you prepare for the new year. This is how I prepare for the new year. I clean, I do my hair, I do some self-care, and I get ready. 2020 is coming. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.